Good morning, children. So let us start the next part of our yesterday's chapter, that is structure and function of living organism 2. And today our first topic is circulatory system. So you may have seen a wound bleeding when someone is hurt, when you are getting some hurt, so blood is coming out. The blood comes out because the blood vessels has been cut. Okay, all over your body you are having network of blood vessels. Blood vessels are of two types, children. See in this picture you can see clearly, arteries and veins. Okay, the bluish green tinge you see below the skin is due to the vessels called veins. Okay, so they can be seen easily, but the other type of vessels are located deeply and cannot be seen easily. They are called arteries. Okay, veins carry blood from different parts of the body to the heart. Okay, see bluish, different parts of the body to the heart, while arteries carry blood from heart to various parts of the body. Okay, see in this picture clearly, the heart is the main organ of the circulatory system. Okay, you can see clearly in this picture, veins carry blood from different parts of the body to the heart, while arteries carry blood from heart to different parts of the body. So our heart is the main organ, and the blood brought in by the veins to the heart is taken to the lungs, where it becomes oxygen rich and is brought back to the heart. Okay children, the oxygen rich blood is taken by the arteries to the various parts of the body, and the network of capillaries join the arteries and the veins. So see in this circulatory system, our heart is the main part and arteries and veins are the blood vessels. See, this is the picture of our heart. It is the main organ of the circulatory system. So what is the function of circulatory system? Is to circulate useful substance to various parts of the body and useless substance to the excretory organs through the blood. Okay, the main function of the circulatory system is to circulate useful substance to various parts of the body. You can also feel for the pulses in your heart. Our heart is beating continuously because blood is taking out and going in. So you can count the number of heartbeats per minute by putting a hand on your wrist also. Okay children. So here is the end of the circulatory system. Now next we are going to start respiratory system. So what is respiratory system? When we breathe in, that is inhaling, then oxygen also enters the lungs with air through the windpipe or trachea. So when we exhale, that is breathe out, carbon dioxide comes out in the air along the same path. Okay, so the blood carries oxygen from the lungs to all the parts of the body and also bring carbon dioxide to the lungs. So this is the breathing system. So there are a lot more type of system of our body yet to understand. So here is the end of today's explanation. Next class we are going to learn more about this. Thank you.